The subject is called Research Methodology, HVRSM 1A. We will do it in semester 1 as well as in semester 2. The most fortunate part for you is we will not write the exam in June. Okay, so we will only have an summative assessment at the end of the year, which will be your exam. And throughout the year, we will have different assignments. The assignments is set out in your learner guide, so the due dates and everything will be communicated as we continue with this year. Right, then this is just my short introduction. I'm sorry, I want to put this off. We are going to have 6 learning units in this subject. The first one is Introduction to Research Methodology. I'm not going to start with that. We will continue that in our second or third lecture. Then Unit 2 is about critical reading and writing skills. After today, you will understand why that is important. And then we are going to start today with mastering references or master references. As you've heard this morning from Dr. Maruma Ngwenya, you have to use referencing in both her subject and the subject of Mauleni. So I decided then to change my order a little bit and rather start with this so that you can get into doing this the correct way from the start. This is not difficult to do. There are a few principles. I'm going to teach you the principles. You just have to learn them out of your head and then use them. So the importance of today is that you concentrate and focus and that you ask questions so that you clearly understand how to do referencing. Then our Unit 4, which will be about in the second semester, is identification of a viable research topic, a research question, problems and objectives. Then we will also do a literature survey. Now in research, we are using a lot of words that may sound foreign to you, but their meaning are actually very easy. And you are used to doing an assignment or an essay, and a literature survey is just similar to an essay. So you are going to write something that you read in the literature. We will talk about what later during the semester. Then at the end of the year, you have to write and present and defend a feasible research proposal. So your final examination will be about your research proposal. And that is a bringing together of all the other 5 units that we have done during this year. Right, then you don't have to write this down now, but we will have 8 assignments. Our first assignment will be the collection of reading material. So that means I will send you also for an introduction to the library that they can assist you in how to collect different articles on different topics. Then we are going to have an assignment on critical reading skills. We will have an assignment on writing skills. Then we will do a compilation of a reference list. And there you can see we will have an assignment on your research topic, title, objectives, problem statement, and research question. And there is assignment 6, the preliminary literature review. Assignment 7 will be the writing of your proposal. And assignment 8 is the examination, which is the presentation and defense of the proposal. Any questions? All happy? All right. You will see the subject is on an NQF level 7, and it's to have 240 credits, or 240 hours, or 24 credits. And it is the Advanced Diploma in Food and you can't see, let me just move it like this, Food and Beverage Management. And there it shows you it's a duration of 1 year, and it's based on continuous assessment. And for those of you who was not here 2 weeks ago in my class, sorry I didn't introduce myself properly, I'm Prof. Dix from the Department of Hospitality, Tourism and Public Relations Management. My office number is M106. I have my timetable on. My consultation hours are also scheduled. You are welcome to pop me an email and book a consultation with me, because I'm not always in my office. I might go to some meetings, so if you have an appointment, I will honor your appointment during my consultation hours. Okay, your learner guides further just indicate then the learning outcomes. There's a word of welcome. Then I just want to stand a minute still on my personal teaching and learning philosophy. And what I want to highlight to you is learning is an experience. Everything else is information. So my purpose this year is not to provide you only with information. I want you to learn something. And in order to learn something, you need to get your hands dirty and you have to work. Because I can stand in front of the class, I can lecture. My lectures are only information. But when you start doing your assignments, it becomes learning, which is an experience. Okay, and I just have my contact details. My office number is M106. And I'm sitting with the administrator. There is my office telephone number, 016-950-9073. Then I'm not going to go through the rest of these. I'm just going to quickly show you some of the state-of-the-art equipment we have, and just move away from the presentation, the PowerPoint, and show you that this is the textbook that is prescribed for this year. It is First Steps in Research, our second edition from Cobus Maria. So if you want to take a photograph, want to look, or write it down, you are most welcome. Okay, and then I'm done with my introduction. Do you have any questions? Right, so what I'm going to do now, you will see a summary of today's lecture is in your learner guide. We are going to start with a Harvard style of referencing and everything that deals with referencing.